Now that we have our 3D prototype of what it would be the perfect cocktail glass for our cocktail recipe, we're going to take a mold out of it. The first step is to take a chunk of clay and mold it to create a flat square. Then, we will place 4 barriers surrounding the clay base. Next, we take the 3D prototype and spread oil on it so the chalk won't attach to it. Then we place it at the bottom, where the clay base is. We need to measure the right proportions of water and chalk, following the producer instructions. We mix it and then pour it into the mold using a strainer, submerging the prototype. This will help us to create a negative out of the 3D prototype. Chalk will solidify around the prototype, taking its shape. Now it needs to dry for a few hours. Once dry, remove the walls and let it dry again for a day. Then we draw or mark a line in the middle of the cast and cut the mold into halves. The 3D prototype that is inside is removed, and we have now a mold that we can use to create several glasses with it. Now, we want to create a silicone mold with the rings we have 3D printed. We use clay to create a box that will hold the silicone. Then, using the right amount of silicone base and hardener as per instructions, we will submerge the ring as per we did with the glass prototype previously. Once it is dry, the silicone mold will be ready, and we will use it to create ice rings that will be placed in our cocktail glass. Stay tuned and follow Mariposa Negra Bar YouTube channel for more learning content. Like and share!